The Metalfrio CFD-2RR 54-inch solid door reach-in refrigerator measures 82.5 inches tall, 54 inches wide, and 32.2 inches deep. This unit is a perfect solution for commercial kitchens in need of safe and secure refrigerated storage. Open either of the two doors from ergonomically designed recessed handles. Simply release the doors to close. A 90-degree stay open feature will keep the doors open for easy loading and unloading. Inside, 6 PVC-coated adjustable wire shelves provide customizable storage. Interior lighting provides bright illumination when the doors are opened. Built-in safety locks provide optimal security between service hours. The electronic LED digital thermostat display clearly communicates the internal temperature. This unit has mounted industrial casters installed. To speak to your personal account manager about placing an order, call or visit foodservicewarehouse.com today.